I built a Forex EA robot in under 30 minutes without writing a single line of code, and it's running right now. No MQL5, no debugging, no staring at syntax errors at 2 a.m. I told an AI my trading strategy in plain English, and it built the entire expert advisor for MT5 before my coffee got cold. Here's the reality. Most traders have a strategy that works. They know their entry, they know their exit, they know their risk, but they can't code, and hiring a developer that's $500 to $2,000 for a single EA with no guarantee it even works the way you want. So they go to MQL5, buy some overpriced bot with a photoshopped equity curve, and wonder why it goes silent the moment real money hits the account. Sound familiar? Now here's what changed everything. AI can now write MQL5 code, not garbage code, production-ready, deployable code, and the workflow is shockingly fast. Let me demystify this. An expert advisor, an EA, is not some magical brain. Think of it as a tireless night shift trader. It never sleeps, it never panics, it follows your rules exactly, and it reacts faster than any human ever could. That's it. No feelings, no revenge trades, just logic executed perfectly. The old way, you'd have to learn MQL5, a niche programming language that even experienced developers find painful. Debugging alone could take weeks. The new way, you describe your strategy to an AI in plain English. The AI writes the MQL5 code. You paste it into MT5, you backtest, you deploy. Now, before I show you the exact build, there's something you need to understand. This isn't about replacing your brain, it's about removing the coding bottleneck. Your strategy still has to be good, AI just makes it executable. Here's your onboarding checklist. 3 tools, that's it. Tool 1, VS Code, free code editor from Microsoft. Download it, install it, done. You don't need to understand how it works beyond paste code here. Tool 2, an AI assistant. I'm using Claude with the Claude Code extension, but DeepSeek V4 works too. This is your developer, you're the architect, it's the builder. Tool 3, MT5, your trading terminal. If you're watching this channel, you probably already have it installed. Now here's where most people mess up, and it kills their first EA before it even runs. They don't set up the AI's environment correctly. In VS Code, you need to install the Claude Code extension and MQL tool and give it access to your project folder. This is how the AI can actually write and edit files, not just chat with you, but build real code in real time. This is the part that took me 3 attempts to get right. Here's the shortcut. Open a new chat in Claude Code, type this or your own strategy. Don't copy mine, it won't fit your style. Now the code appears. Don't panic, you don't need to read it. Compile it in MQL tool. Green bar means you're good. Red bar means you copy the error message, paste it back to VS Code, and it fixes it. That's the loop. Now the moment of truth. Drag the EA onto a gold chart. Check Allow Algo Trading, green button at the top, and when you see the blue icon in the corner, it's alive. Before I show you the backtest results, if you're getting value here, hit subscribe. I post new EA builds, live results, and honest teardowns every week. No hype, just real data. Alright, backtest time, strategy tester, H1. Last 3 years, every tick based on real ticks. Looks decent, right? Positive expectancy, manageable drawdown. And this is where most traders make the fatal mistake. If your backtest shows a 95% win rate, that's not a good sign, that's a red flag. It means your EA memorized the past instead of learning from it. This is called overfitting. Your EA found patterns that existed in the historical data but won't repeat in live markets. The equity curve looks like a stairway to heaven. But the moment you run it on a real account, it's a ghost. So what should you actually look for? Positive mathematical expectation, not win rate, not profit factor. Ask yourself, does this EA make money per trade on average over thousands of trades? If the average trade is positive, you have an edge. If it's negative, no amount of optimization will save you. Now, let me show you the 3 mistakes that kill almost every first EA, including mine. Mistake 1. Forgetting to enable algo trading. You drag the EA onto the chart. You wait, nothing happens. The algo trading button is gray. Click it. It needs to be green. I've wasted hours on this one. Mistake 3. Over-optimizing your parameters. You run the strategy tester. You tweak the RSI period from 14 to 13, then 12, then 9. The backtest looks better each time. Congratulations! You just built an EA that only works in the past. Lock your parameters, walk forward test, leave it alone. So that's the full workflow. Describe your strategy in plain English. VS Code AI compile and builds the MQL5 code. Deploy in MT5 backtest with discipline. Run it live with realistic expectations. The whole process under 30 minutes from idea to running EA. No coding experience required. Just a strategy worth automating. If you want to grab free EA files that are already battle tested, not this experimental stuff, head over to rbot.cc. The tools that actually work are there. Hit subscribe for more honest EA builds and live results. Stay safe out there.